House number 11, Santa Isabel in Lisbon, Portugal, is a 20th century home renovation that successfully combines classic elements with modern touches. Rather than erasing its historical roots, the home retains its original facade while introducing a more open and bright design. The exterior is unique with its green walls patterned with ceramic mosaics, reflecting the richness of the local culture. The motif is inspired by Lisbon's signature azulejo tiles, bringing traditional elements into a more modern design context. The home was also designed to create a balance between privacy and views. The spaces are strategically oriented to remain bright but still feel intimate for its occupants. The seamless transition between the inside and outside further enhances the sense of a living, breathing home. The open main space connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas in one fluid flow. Minimalist furnishings such as neutral sofas, wooden tables, and white, handle-free cabinets create a clean, modern look. Inside, the central atrium is the heart of the home, allowing light and air to flow freely. The design creates a harmonious relationship between the interior and exterior, with large windows and natural materials reinforcing the sense of openness and comfort. Upstairs, the bedrooms are dominated by white with wood accents. Large windows overlook the garden, reinforcing the connection between the interior and exterior. The white marble bathrooms with natural light create a calming spa-like feel. More than just a renovation, this house shows how architecture can revive an old building without losing its identity. House number 11 is proof that history and innovation can go hand in hand, creating spaces full of meaning and inspiration.